Today, my topic is Earth as a planet. So, let's start.
Question 1. Why is the Earth called a watery planet? Answer. The Earth is called a watery planet, as its major part, i.e. 70%, is covered by water or hydrosphere. The Earth is seen blue in the satellite pictures due to the majority of water. Questions 2. What is biosphere? Answer. Biosphere is the narrow zone of contact amidst lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Question 3. Name the conditions necessary for life on Earth. Answer. The conditions necessary for life on Earth are ideal temperature range with an average between 10 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius, solar radiation, humidity, wind, water, land, etc. Question 4. Give any two features of the Earth that make it a unique planet. Answer. The Earth is so far the only planet which consists of life system. It is due to its ideal average temperature of 17 degrees Celsius to support the life and provide with atmosphere and hydrosphere to impart air and water essential for life.
Questions 5. Why is the planet Venus hotter than the planet Mercury? Answer. Venus is hotter than Mercury because the atmosphere around Venus is mainly composed of carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide produces greenhouse effect on the surface of Venus. Thus, the temperature on its surface remain very high. Question 6. Name the two sources of heat in the interior of the Earth. Answer. Two sources of heat in the interior of the Earth are the radioactive elements trapped inside and the immense temperature and pressure in the deep interior. Question 7. What is meant by terrestrial life? Answer. On the surface of the Earth, there are continents and oceans. The life on the continents or on land is called terrestrial life. Questions 8. Name the members of the solar system. Answer. Members of the solar system includes the Sun and everything that orbits it like planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Uranus and Neptune, their satellites, asteroids, comets, interplanetary gas and dust. Questions 9. What is meant by inner planets? Name them. Answer. The planets that lie within the asteroid belt, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, are called the inner planets. Questions 10. Why are the inner planets called the terrestrial planets? Answer. The inner planets are called the terrestrial planets because their structure is similar to that of the Earth. Questions 11. What are Jovian planets? Name them. Answer. The planets whose structure is similar to that of Jupiter are called Jovian planets. They have ring systems around and have a large number of moons. They are of gaseous origin. Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are Jovian planets.